Obviously, there are a lot of speakers. They can speak in English very well. If you don't practice, if you don't say something, it is not possible to say anything in English. Obviously, you have to build up the confidence. I want to say something in English because we need to say something in English every day. If we don't practice regular basis, how is it possible to say something in English? Obviously not, because English is an international language. So obviously we have to practice regular basis. If we don't practice regular basis, how is it possible to bring the fluency? Fluency is not coming very quickly, but if you practice daily basis, definitely the fluency is coming. On other hand, just you make yourself to properly. Even you need to focus on yourself. Pay attention what is your goal. If you pay attention your goal, definitely you have to do a lot of things. But if you don't do that, how is it possible? Obviously, there are a lot of speakers. They can speak in English very well. But if you just go to the say anything, that time you don't say anything. You just get stuck to speak in English. So obviously, you need to focus on speaking English. If you know a lot of vocabularies, but if you just can't say something, anything. So if you don't practice, if you don't say something, it is not possible to say anything in English. Obviously, you have to build up the confidence. If you build up the confidence, definitely you will say something in English without any hesitation. But if you build up the confidence, definitely you can say something in English perfectly. Just few days ago, I can say something in English, but now just build up the confidence. That's why I can speak in English very well. So if you just change your tendency, change your mind, set up your mindset, definitely it will be better for yourself. But if you don't do that, how is it possible to improve yourself? Yes, everybody wants to say something in English, but when they are trying, they can't say something in English. Nothing else. First time you will make mistake. It's natural. Everyone make mistake. So why you worry about that? You don't worry about that. You think that it is natural. It is just changing the game. If you just build up the confidence, just taking a lot of times, invest the times, manage the times, and confidently say something in English. You just set up your mind. I will be say something in English without any hesitation. Yes, I can say something in English. I have the ability to say something in English. This is the matter, and this is the process of this. If you do that, definitely you can speak in English very well. Suppose you go out of your house at that time, what you see, explain in English. When meet anyone, explain in English. Share your experience with your friends, classmates, or any other. Just explain in English. Chat with English, call with English, just surrounding in English. Don't waste your time. You just utilize your time and perfectly use everything. If you do that, definitely once upon a time you can speak in English very well. But before that, you have to be more careful about speaking English. But if you don't do that, how is it possible? Obviously, you need to practice, you need to regular basis speak in English. Just build up your confidence and say something in English. Obviously, install your brain and what in your brain coming out, just express in English. Don't worry about that. Someone mock me about you. Don't worry. Don't care anyone. It is your right place or wrong place, you know very well. If you practice, if you say something, that is the matter. But if you just feel shy, definitely you forget knowing something, knowing words, knowing sentence, even memorizing some experience. You can't say something before the audience. So If you just build up the confidence and regular basis you practice, sometimes you read some articles just aloud. Definitely, you can speak in English day by day, improve, enhance your just storage, consume a lot and produce a lot, input a lot, even export a lot. This is how you can speak in English very well.